Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Guide World, your go-to spot for all things travel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Antalya, a place that's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Things to do in Antalya. Planning to visit Antalya, Turkey soon? Well, you're in luck because this video will provide a comprehensive guide to the city's best landmarks and experiences. Nestled on the southwestern coast of Turkey, Antalya is a sparkling gem that attracts millions of visitors every year. This city, with its azure waters and golden beaches, is a perfect blend of modern Turkey and its rich past. Few places in the world can offer such harmony of the contemporary and the ancient, and that's what makes Antalya truly unique. Antalya isn't just about picturesque beaches, though. It's also a city steeped in history, with roots stretching back to the Hellenistic period. Every cobblestone street, every ancient wall, every ornate archway tells a story, offering a fascinating glimpse into the past. As you stroll through its winding streets, you'll find yourself traveling back in time, walking in the footsteps of the Romans, Ottomans, and Byzantines who once called this city home. But Antalya is more than just a history lesson. It's a vibrant, living city, pulsing with energy and life. The local culture is as warm and welcoming as the Mediterranean sun. Here you'll experience firsthand the famed Turkish hospitality, whether you're haggling for a bargain at a bustling bazaar or savoring flavorful kebabs at a street-side cafe. Then, of course, there's the natural beauty of Antalya. The city is framed by the stunning Taurus Mountains, providing a dramatic backdrop to the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean. Whether you're lounging on the beach, exploring ancient ruins, or hiking through verdant forests, you'll be treated to breathtaking views at every turn. In Antalya, every day promises a new adventure. From thrilling water sports and invigorating hikes to tranquil boat rides and relaxing spa treatments, there's something for everyone. And as the sun sets, the city comes alive with music, dance, and festivities, offering a taste of the vibrant Turkish nightlife. Now that you've got a glimpse of what Antalya has to offer, let's delve deeper into the city's famous landmarks. With this guide, you're already on your way to experiencing the best of this sparkling gem of Turkey. So pack your bags, lace up your walking shoes, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through Antalya. First on the list is Antalya's old town, Kaleci, a place where history comes alive. This vibrant neighborhood is nestled within ancient Roman walls, a testament to the city's rich past. These walls have stood the test of time, a silent witness to the ebb and flow of civilizations that have called Antalya home. As you wander through the narrow cobbled streets of Kaleci, you'll be charmed by the Ottoman-era houses that line the lanes. Each house is unique, their wooden facades adorned with intricate carvings, their upper floors jutting out over the streets below, creating an enchanting atmosphere that transports you back in time. It's easy to imagine the stories these houses could tell, if walls could indeed talk. Now let's venture further into this captivating old town. Nestled within its heart is a majestic relic from the Roman times, the Hadrian's Gate. This triumphal arch was built in honor of the Roman Emperor Hadrian, who visited the city in the year 130. Its three arched gates, flanked by towering columns, are a sight to behold. The intricate carvings and detailed reliefs on its facade are a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship of the Roman era. Just a stone's throw away from Hadrian's Gate is another ancient wonder, the Hederlik Tower. This Roman-era tower, located at the edge of Kaleci, offers breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Once believed to be a lighthouse, the Hederlik Tower now serves as a window to Antalya's past, its sturdy stone walls whispering tales of days gone by. But the allure of Kaleci doesn't stop at its historical landmarks. The neighborhood is also teeming with vibrant bazaars, charming tea houses, and cozy restaurants, offering a delightful fusion of the past and the present, the traditional and the contemporary. Truly, a walk around Kaleci is like stepping back in time. But there's more to Antalya than its old town. So let's continue our journey and discover what other treasures this sparkling gem of Turkey has to offer. Next up is the Yivli Minare, a landmark that's hard to miss in Antalya. A beacon of Antalya's skyline, This towering structure has stood tall for centuries, bearing witness to the city's evolving narrative. The Yivli Minare is steeped in history, its foundations laid in the 13th century by the Seljuk Sultan, Alaaddin Keykubat. A testament to Seljuk architecture, the structure is an amalgamation of a mosque, a madrasa, and a distinctive minaret. The minaret, from which the complex gets its name, stands at an impressive 123 feet, its fluted design a remarkable feat for its time. The minaret's unique design, characterized by its 8 fluted bands, has made it an iconic symbol of Antalya. Each band is intricately ornamented with turquoise blue tiles, the color a striking contrast against the warm terracotta of the bricks. The bands are separated by wooden roundels, an architectural element that lends the minaret its name, Yivli, which translates to fluted. As you ascend the 90 steps of the spiral staircase within the minaret, you'll be treated to an unparalleled panoramic view of Antalya. The city stretches out beneath you, a tapestry of red-roofed houses, verdant parks, and the shimmering blue of the Mediterranean Sea. From this vantage point, the city's past and present converge, providing a visual narrative of Antalya's rich history and vibrant culture. The Yivli Minare is more than just a tower. It is a symbol of Antalya's resilience, a testament to the city's ability to preserve its past while embracing its future. The complex, with its mosque and madrasa, continues to be a place of worship and learning, its spiritual and educational roles just as vital today as they were centuries ago. The Yivli Minare is a must-visit for anyone looking to delve into Antalya's past. Its towering presence serves as a constant reminder of the city's rich history, its fluted design an enduring symbol of Antalya's architectural prowess. The Yivli Minare is indeed a testament to Antalya's rich history, but let's move from the past to the present. From towering minarets to underwater wonders, Antalya boasts an array of diverse attractions, including the Antalya Aquarium. This modern marvel stands as a testament to the city's commitment to showcasing the beauty of the natural world, both above and beneath the water's surface. Immerse yourself in the Antalya Aquarium's diverse exhibits, each offering a unique perspective on aquatic life. The crown jewel of these exhibits is undoubtedly the world's largest tunnel aquarium. As you journey through the 86-meter-long tunnel, you'll find yourself surrounded on all sides by a myriad of colorful marine species. From the graceful manta rays to the formidable sharks, this tunnel brings you face to face with the inhabitants of the deep, providing a mesmerizing experience unlike any other. But the wonders of the Antalya Aquarium go beyond the marine world. Venture into the tropical reptile house and be greeted by an array of exotic creatures. From the slithering snakes to the vibrant chameleons, the reptile house offers a close encounter with these fascinating creatures, all within a lush, tropical environment. The Antalya Aquarium isn't just about observing, though. It's about interacting, engaging, and learning. The aquarium offers a host of interactive experiences that are sure to delight visitors of all ages. Try your hand at feeding the fish, or take part in a diving session to truly immerse yourself in the underwater world. For the brave ones, there's even an opportunity to swim with the sharks. These experiences aren't just thrilling, they're educational, providing valuable insights into the lives of these aquatic creatures. In a city filled with historical landmarks and stunning natural beauty, the Antalya Aquarium stands out as a modern marvel, a place where the wonders of the aquatic world come alive in spectacular fashion. It's an experience that's as engaging as it is educational, a journey that's sure to leave you with unforgettable memories. The Antalya Aquarium offers a fun-filled adventure for all ages, but let's not forget about the city's vibrant traditions. So let's dive deeper into the heart of Antalya and explore the rich tapestry of cultural experiences that this city has to offer. To truly experience Antalya, one must immerse in its rich traditions. As you wander the sun-kissed streets of Antalya, you will undoubtedly be drawn in by the aroma of freshly brewed Turkish tea, known as chai. This is more than just a drink. It is a symbol of hospitality, a ritual that punctuates the day, and an invitation to pause and savor the moment. Served in a tulip-shaped glass, the strong ruby red brew is a testament to the Turkish saying, "Conversations without tea are like a night sky without the moon." From the rich scent of tea to the enticing aromas of local cuisine, food is an integral part of Antalya's traditions. Savor the city's gastronomic wonders like the succulent kebabs, the hearty lentil soup known as mercimek çorbası, and the flaky sweet pastry baklava. Each dish is a culinary journey, offering a taste of Antalya's history and culture. And what could be more quintessentially Turkish than the tradition of hammam, the Turkish bath? Originating from the Roman bath culture and perfected by the Ottomans, hammams are much more than places to cleanse the body. Stepping into a hammam is like stepping into a sanctuary of tranquility. The warm, steam-filled air, the gentle sound of trickling water, and the ritualistic scrubbing and massaging practices all contribute to a unique experience that soothes both the body and soul. These customs form the heart and soul of Antalya, reflecting the city's vibrant culture and the local zest for life. Whether it's sipping on a glass of chai, relishing a plate of kebabs, or unwinding in a hammam, each tradition offers a unique insight into the city's way of life. Immersing in these traditions will surely make your Antalya trip more memorable. Through these experiences, you're not just observing from the sidelines, you're participating in the city's rhythm, its pulse, its spirit. You're truly living Antalya. Well, there you have it, our comprehensive guide to Antalya City. From iconic landmarks to mouth-watering dishes and vibrant traditions, this city has something for every type of traveler. If you've been to Antalya, share your experiences in the comments below. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button for more travel guides like this. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content. And remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. See you in the next video.